What's up, guys? This is part 2 of the tip video for doing the fuel pump on a 5 series. What I wanted to add was that you will have to disconnect your power steering line that goes to your rear stabilizer bar in order to get the tank free so you can pull it out. You also have to dismantle the center column. I've got my 5 series out here, so I'll show you on this one. I've already finished the job on the other one. You're going to remove your center console, which means that you have to take everything out of the back here so you can get to the back screws. Take this up. Take this completely off, and so you'll need a new new pull tie, plastic pull tie to put on that. Got to take this up. Got to disconnect everything from up under here. Pull out these sleeves and get the screws on the side. And it's a little bit of a job, but if you take your time, you get it loose. You get this whole thing out, and then you go in and unhook the emergency brake cables. That's real easy to do. Once you see it, you just slide it forward, pop it out on one side, pop it out on the other side. You're done. Then you got to pull both brake cables completely out of their holes and off to the side, because the brake cables loop up under the gas tank, as well as the shaft and the muffler. It's a saddlebag tank, so it sits on each side of it, and it's got enough space so everything runs down the middle of it. So you have to remove everything in the middle, which is the brake cable, the shaft, and the muffler. You can let the muffler train hang down, even put a brace to bring it down so you can get access to everything. But you're gonna have to take off that heat shield and make sure it gets back in place when you put it back on. Let's see, what else did I want to say about this job? You will need power steering fluid, which is actually BMW transmission fluid. Let's see, what else? Just make sure you get good clearance, because you're going to be up under that shaft on both ends. I didn't take it off of both ends. I've seen videos where they took the shaft completely out. You do not have to take the shaft completely out. You can loosen it at the back end and let the guibo or flex disc stay in place and just flex down. Remove the center brace, but you don't have to pull the whole thing out. It can sit right on top of the muffler, and once you're ready to pull the tank out, you can slide it to the side of the muffler, and it'll lower down enough so that you can push down on the muffler train and get the whole thing out. Let's see, anything else I wanted to say about this? Nope. Just keep track of all your screws. There's a bunch of them, so keep track of all your screws, all your plates, and just know that you're gonna have to do that center console for the emergency brake. You're gonna have to pop your back seat up to get through the electrical connectors, and when you take this thing down, you're gonna have to unclip all of the hoses to it before you pull it all the way down, and you're gonna have to unloosen the breather hoses and ventilation tank hoses before you start pulling on anything, so you don't break them. They're real thin, and they're thin plastic, so if you go hard on it, you're gonna break them. Okay, that's my tip from Mr. Meadows. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll come back with as much stuff that I can and help you out.